So you have been asking yourself, where can I find car services in Karen? Where can I find a good place where they give me good service for my car? Well, also automobiles here on Bogani Road in our way to Square University, we have brought the garage here. This is the office, as you can see. It's still under payment and everything, and we are still planning the office and everything. We have the cabinet there, we have the desk. We'll be putting some chairs there for the visitors to come in. Car painting, that's the main thing that we'll be starting with, because that's the one that takes a lot of work. Car painting, gearbox and the transmission system of the car. We'll be doing the suspension of the car, the shocks, all the things underneath of the car. Then we'll be doing a pre-purchase inspection. Then we'll be doing all the car interior. If you want the detail washing, detail interior, the headlights and everything, we'll be doing it here at Outsource Automobiles. So it's a very good place. It's a very good and big place. Everything I'll be showing you step by step of everything. So even the seat covers, if you want the seat covers of the car to be changed, if you want the car accessories. So it's just it's a premium package where we'll be finding everything that you need to want, everything that you need to want about your car. So hapa tutakuwa nafanya everything. So I'll be showing you in details everything from the stitching of the seats to the painting of the car to the interior cleaning and what else. There's so many things that I'll be showing you through it. And my director Regan will be putting on the screen everything that I was explaining there about the car interior, the cleaning, the painting, the gearbox, the suspension. It's a whole package. So I'll be taking you step by step. I'll be seeing everything of which we do here. So about the car painting, this is all where the work will be done. We have put the covers here, then we're having another cover here. So and then we're having the lighting, because painting it's all about lighting. Painting is all about the lighting. Then you paint the car, you have the description of the car and then the type of the color that the client wants. Because like in the white, you have several types of white. In the black, you have the several types of black. And it goes like that. So wewe unataka color gani na mwekechi yako, unakuja hapa and do all the painting. So hii area yote we can fit like around 3 to 4 cars in the painting, because here we have a pivot, we have certain bit and then we put layers by layers. So nadhani ile koti ya kwanza, koti ya pili, koti ya tatu, and then the duration is 2 weeks. Unajua unaanza how long you take to paint the cars. That is 2 weeks we take on painting of your car. So all these areas you can see it's very big. Hapa na compare na fit gari around ngapi? Like 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cars can fit in here in terms of painting. So mambo ya painting and everything, usikuwe na worries, usikuwe na anything. Then in the painting we do like the clearing of the headlights. Tuna clean headlights, inakuwa clean kabisa. Then remove the seats, we do the interior cleaning of the car. Then painting, tunafanya painting inakaa poa. Then we do the buffing and everything. So gari yako kutoka hapa it's good as new, good as 0 mileage, good as imported. So that's what we do. So we imagine gari yako ikuje hapa. So ni vile unapata confidence here, because we have one car, then I'll be showing you an NZD. You have been painting on it. It's still under the process, inaenda ikimalizika. So that is it about the painting of the car. So we mazee kuja swear in Bogani Road na where to Square University. Kuja place mazee uone. So tunaanza na the painting part, then we go to the stitching of the cars, we go to the cars accessories, we go to the suspension and the shocks and everything underneath the car and the service, and then we do the pre-purchase inspection. So I told you it's a big package. So hapa unakuja na package yako. We provide the big package. So unasema unataka nini, then we do as particularly as you want. Servicing, minor servicing, major servicing. As in this car we are doing a service on it. So servicing music can take that much time. As a service, it doesn't take that much of your time. Kuja hapa tufanye the major servicing, the minor servicing. We do a diagnosis of the car, gearbox, transmission, everything. Kitu yote una gari yako iko na shida and you want to change, you want to feel mazee. Alafu pia testing of the car we do it here. So ukikuja tutakurukia tukwambie the car has a particular problem. Utakuja, we do a diagnosis of the car, then we tell you your car has this A, B, C, A, D, and D. Then from there utaamua which one do you want to start with, or which one do you want to measure the car, then like that. So we not only make your car, but we also advise you on what the problem the car is, kama ni problem kubwa, kama ni problem minor, kama ni engine overhaul and everything. So here we do all that. You can see we have a variety of cars of car. We have the Mitsubishi, we have the V8, we have the Outlander, we have the Surf, we have the 120 series mazee. Hizo gari zimekuja kuangaliwa. We have the Banda school bus there inaangaliwa pale, and it's very good on it. And then this the NZD. Hii NZD as you can see tumefanya the painting of the car. My cameraman will show you. Ukiangalia it has very good painting. Tumepaka color black and it's very good, very clean, and it's a KZ, imagine KZ. And then painting of the car tunafanya in the interior. You can see all the seats have been removed in the car. Seats zote zimetolewa, then we do the extreme cleaning of the car. Kama kulikuwa anything about rusting, we can see on this one kulikuwa some rusting on it, on the underneath of the car. Hizo shida zote tunashughulikia. So nikwambia painting of the car sio tu paint peke yake, but we do that in detail, everything about the car. Na hii NZD imechungwa poa sana. As you can see, it's very good, very clean car. Imagine hii gari ya 204 and the owner has really taken care of it. Na umetuletea, we do the painting of the car. It's very good and very nice. You can see that's the painting. Hata onyesha 360 of the car. Unazunguka tu round uoneshe how paint imetokea gari. As you can see the rims, we have done the painting of the rims. The tires are new. Very good, very clean indeed. So mazee, lete kazi ya painting. We'll do a very good paint job on your car. About the suspension, the brake pads, and all about the suspension, brake pads, the rims, the shocks and everything. Like this one is a 120 series and imekuja kufanywa, nimekuja kuchange the brake pads, the brake pads here. As now the brake pads zilikuwa zimeisha, then we are putting new ones. So nakwambia mambo na brake pads, the brake disc, the coils, the spring and everything zote nafanya. As you can see, this is a 120 series and this guy it has been well taken care of, as you can see. So nakwambia mambo brakes, brake suspension, hiyo mambo yote underneath of the car, the tires, painting of the rims and the changing of the rims and everything. Kuja hapa mazee, tutakusort everything and you'll see our work. Come pay us a visit na ukuje and test, not test, book mazee, ukuje uone kazi tunafanya. BMW GT 340i and as you can see, we are the one who did the painting of the car. Once imported, we did the painting of the car, then you can see you have the hydro dip finishing of the car. So the hydro dip is very good because it doesn't peel out as the kama wrap inawekwa, then it peels after some time. So the hydro dip is very good because it's like painting, but it's a unique way. It's not like painting. I don't like to explain to you how it works, but it's better than doing the wrap. So you see the hydro dip we kept here on the fin there, but also on the handles it has the hydro dip. Hiyo receipt tulifanya, and the painting, you can see we really do a good painting of the car. Paka rims tukafanya the rims had the hydro dip, but because of unajua ukienda ukiscratch, then they do a painting on it. Then this car we did the two color of it. As you can see, this side is black, then on this side you can see it's white. So we tried and blend the two colors, the black and white, then the rainbow strip. We have the blue, dark blue, and the red strip, as you can see. So it runs from here to the front part of the car. As you can see, the finishing that we have, and then you have the edit there. Then you can see the finishing on it. It's very good. So if you want such a paint on your car, mazee, halas mazee, and you do a painting on you, and open a very fair price of it, as you can see. So this one, the work that is being done here, it's the suspension of the car, you can see, and I've told you about speed. The fast the car is, the more we have the bigger calipers on the car. It's big because of what? It's big because of the speed. And then you can see the disc on it. The disc is very big because ukiniambia the car, the more faster it is, the more brake, the good handling of the brake should be. As you can see, this caliper of the disc, I don't know the caliper of it. It's very nice. Kama ni mtu wa speed mazee, kuja, we'll change your brake pads from the normal ones to advance on it, the bigger ones. Enye wewe unataka. You can see the interior of the car. We kept the hydro dip everywhere. The cameraman will show you. Camera, the hydro dip we kept on the gear lever, as you can see on the gear lever, and then at the side of the AC and everything, we have the hydro dip there. It's very nice, mazee. Hii inaekuanga on the top finishing of the car. So instead of putting a wrap or anything, kuja tuweke the hydro dip and again the good painting. So na painting ilifanya ilikuwa very good painting of the car. So we'll put for you a push to start button on the car. As you can see how this one works. It's very simple. We'll put a push to start, then again it comes with the package itself. Or we put this on, put the app on your phone, which will be recording the car, not recording of the car, but it will be giving you everything. Then we have the CK will give you something like an ATM card where if you just tap on the screen, your car will open, and then on the app we'll have the tracking of the car. You'll be tracking of the car, where your car is. You'll be seeing the fuel consumption. You can put on your car, you can put off your car. Then it'll be showing you everything you need about the the engine, if there's any pressure system of the car, itakuwa inakuleta everything on the app. So these are systems you want to change. You have the key knob, you want to put the new, you want to put the push to start. Kama natakuwekea vizuri about the ambient lighting, the bigger screen, the system, the audio system of the car, hiyo yote tunakuja na tunakuwekea. Because this is a pretty old car, but tumeweka everything. Tuko na fridge hapa, as you can see. Tuko na fridge hapa, tumeweka the good system there. So tuko na many accessories on the car. Any car will put the accessories on it of the car. And if your seats are worn out, as you can see, this Prado 150 series, we are doing a stitching on it. Unaona hii color vile ipo, it's very good leather, and it's preference to your color. Kama unataka brown, kama unataka black, kama unataka green, kama unataka orange, it's preference to your color. You can see it gives the car a very good finishing. So kama uko na ile the fabric one or your leather zime worn out, maze kuja tukuwekea a new form of leather. You can see this one is very good. The zip, so it's very easy to clean, very easy for you to replace them as you're doing an interior cleaning or something. It's very good and very good and very nice. As you can see, even the pocket side of the car, as you can see. So this one is imported, it's imported. So to import the leather, then we do the stitching for you and everything. As you can see, the front side of the seat, it makes the car look very nice. Then you have the Prado logo there, and you can see you have the Prado logo there. Now usijali, once you do the stitching, kama gari yako ilikuwa na heated seats, all the things will be working. So hakuna kitu cha cut aside or take aside, it will work very well. You can see it's very good color. Kwanza hii brown, mimi naweka the brown because brown color iki reflect ndani inaitoa a very good finishing on it. You can see, look just at how the brown finishing is. So kama unataka kufanya stitching on your car, kama unataka put the seat covers and everything, maze kuja hapa to give you at a very good offer. Ukuje tukufanyie everything and do a walk-in maze. Wewe kuja utembee hapa uone kazi tunafanya, ndio uko na confidence useme tu lazima ukuje kutengenezwa gari. So come and do a walk-in, then from there you make up a mind and say maze, I'll give these guys a work. On the final part of my short videos I'll show you tunafanya everything. My director Regan atakuwa anakia on the screen there everything that we do. So come pay us a visit on Bogani Road on your way to Kwa University. Utakuja and we'll do everything that you're trying to the car, from painting of the car to pre-purchase inspection to servicing of the car to the suspension to the anything, to the audio system, the changing of the audio system, putting a new screen, buffing. Tunafanya everything maze. So give me a call. Regan pale director wangu atakuwekea the number there on the screen, under the screen, then you can call us maze. Book maze. Kuja come pay us a visit. Painting and everything, kuja pay us a visit maze. And we offer very good services. Everything here it's simple, as you can see. It's a very quiet place and the space is very big. We can fit up to around 15 cars here because it's very big, as you can see. Huko bado kuna space ingine, and ukikuja usiboeke, there are seats there where clients will be sitting there, and then pia in the office will be putting seats there unaweza kaa, and it's still under tunafanya vitu mbili tatu, but will be a very good office here. Alafu pia after doing service of the car, we have a garage, a car wash here. We'll be washing your car, so gari ikikurudia, it's on a very good clean condition, as you can see. So maze, pay us a visit, kuja uangalie kazi tunafanya, alafu tuletee your car for anything. In case of any queries maze, you just call there and I'll explain everything to you.